don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subs. Hey Tabafethu, this video is brought to you by EasyBets. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 Rand sign-up bonus. And also, T's and C's apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Tango. Show my fans on TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Orlando Pirates 1, TS Galaxy 1. I'm joined by Imbo Actor, Ma Africa.
Ma Africa, ikrachi ama Kaizer Chiefs. Gidi. Gidi ama pirate. Akhalile asazokhala. Even ayakhala namhlanje. Gidi azehli hlathi. Gidi azehli hlathi. Gidi bafike. Azehli. Sibo last katumzila la last kade umzila la sibo igeme namhlanje beyimlandi kakhulu iPirate izele sibo asikhulumeni ngegame asikhulumeni ngegame sharp igame namhlanje it was an intense game. Hey beyihluku kakhulu igame namhlanje ngithi kumvela se halala umvela se it's a roaring lion yeah iTS Galaxy ikhombisile iPirate iPirate namhlanje zange ngibone lidlalako iPirate kahle is a lose for iPirate because of thina sesebancane bathanda ukuthi sesebancane baceda ukhala zolo lokho namhlanje bayakhala again zikhaliswa ukuthi ucoach ukhambile ene sisazo ukhala again ene abantwana bakanabe baku unseeded team baku number 9 thina sigenile ku MTN abangangeni abantwana bakanabe baselele igame 1 mara bayo baku unseeded abayongena khuluma baba mina Chibo lotan mina into engifuna ukuyitsho ukuthi angeke wawulala umbhede uyi1 because wazi ukuthi nanoma unomfazi umfazi omunye kuyasherwa la emhlabeni namhlanje ngithokozela ukuthi sisherile ngakhombisile ukuthi siyashera wena hey nethi kunabantwana
wena ushadile
hey ngifuna ukumtshela ukuthi sadumzile ngifuna ukuthi noma umfazi ungambhebha kangakanani okusala iside uyalahla namhlanje sibona abantu balahla iside abantu balahla iside bona manje bafuna sherile namhlanje kodwa bafunde ukuthi nawo nomfazi uzomshera nomunye nonendoda uzoyishera nomunye yasherwa into ngobayivume yasherwa uTLB akusinguyi Cocomelon uTLB una 70 years uTLB una 70 years uTLB akusinguyi Cocomelon una 70 years